Click the subscribe button and press on bell icon and never miss new updates. Welcome to my channel Rainbow Art. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a geometrical design. This design is very beautiful. Let's see how we can do it. Take a square paper. This is 21 centimeter versus 21 centimeter total paper, and I draw this square on the paper. This is 20 centimeter. This is a square. Now divide each portion in total 8 sides. First take 10 centimeter, this one 10 centimeter, this is also 10 centimeter, and then divided this total 10 centimeter into 4 part, I mean 2.5 centimeter, 2.5. Each part will be 2.5 centimeter, total 8 part. And do the same in the all side, this side, this side, and this side. Okay, now draw the lines and make squares inside the paper. Okay, now you have to do it by pencil and do it smoothly. Okay, let's complete it. Okay, I'm just completed. You can see it. First divided in total 8 part, and then I draw the square between this paper. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to take this is LUXOR sketch pen, and you have to take it, and you have to take a compass. Let's set it. Okay, I'm just set it, and then okay, and then put it here, and this is 1 2 3 third point. Start it here and then cover it. Sorry. Okay, done. Now you have to start from this point, put it here, and start from this point, or you can start from this point, and then you have to do this, and do the same here in opposite side. Like this. Okay, you have to do the same here. You have to go to the point 1 2 and 3. Okay, and this will be 1 unit. Then you have to start here. like this. Okay, then do the same in this side, like this. You have to do here also. Then start from this point and cover it just like this. Okay, then start from this point. Sorry. Yeah, now the same in opposite side. Yes. Let's see what happened. You have to do the same in this side also. Then how can we do it? Let's start from this point. Draw this curve and go to this point. And start from this point. Okay, let's see what happened. This one. Now you have to do the same here. Yes, it will be just like this, and then we have to go here just like this. Sorry, you have to go this point. Yes. Okay, I am just completed it. Now what you have to do, you have to do just like this. Just like this, and do the same here. Do it just like this. And do the same here. By doing this, just complete the whole design. Now take a 6B Staedtler pencil, this one, and then set this portion just like this. Do the same here. You can set by using your hand. This will be very smooth. Just like this. Just like this, and you have to just complete total whole portion, then this will be very beautiful. Okay, let's complete it. So I have just completed this design. This is very beautiful now. You can do it very easily. You can see it. This is very beautiful. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.